Imagine a creature that looks like it swam straight out of the Jurassic era with a long, slender snout and a lineage dating back over 200 million years. A creature that seems almost mythical, a ghost of a bygone age. This, my friends, is the gharial. Meet the gharial, Gavialis gangeticus, one of the most unique and critically endangered crocodilian species in the world. Join me as we journey to the rivers of India and Nepal, to the heart of gharial territory, to uncover the secrets of this remarkable reptile. The gharial is instantly recognizable by its most distinctive feature, the ghara. This bulbous protrusion at the end of the male snout is not just for show, it serves a crucial role in the gharial's life. As the male gharial reaches sexual maturity, the ghara begins to develop. This growth is triggered by hormones and can take several years to reach its full size. The ghara acts as a resonator, amplifying the male's calls during the mating season. These calls, a series of hissing and snorting sounds, can be heard echoing across the river, attracting potential mates. The ghara also plays a role in another fascinating behavior, bubble blowing. During courtship displays, males release air through their ghara, creating a stream of bubbles that rise to the surface. This spectacle is thought to further entice females and demonstrate the male's fitness. The ghara, therefore, is not just a physical characteristic. It's a symbol of maturity, a tool for communication, and a key to the gharial's survival. The gharial possesses a set of teeth that are as fascinating as they are fearsome. Unlike its more robust crocodilian cousins, the gharial boasts a narrow, elongated snout lined with an impressive array of sharp, needle-like teeth. These teeth, numbering over 100, are perfectly adapted for its specialized diet. Unlike other crocodilians that have teeth designed for crushing bones, the gharial's teeth are designed for gripping. Their interlocking nature ensures that once a fish is caught, there's little chance of escape. The gharial's teeth are constantly being replaced throughout its life, ensuring that its hunting arsenal remains in peak condition. This continuous replacement is essential for a predator that relies on its teeth to secure its next meal. The gharial's teeth, therefore, are a testament to its evolutionary adaptation, a perfect tool for a specialized fish hunter. The gharial is a master of its watery domain, and its body is a testament to this aquatic mastery. Unlike other crocodilians that are built for power and ambushing prey on land, the gharial's body is sleek and hydrodynamic, perfectly adapted for a life spent primarily in the water. Its streamlined form allows it to move through the water with minimal resistance, making it an incredibly agile and efficient swimmer. The gharial's tail, laterally compressed and powerful, acts as its primary means of propulsion. With a flick of its tail, it can dart through the water with surprising speed, chasing down its prey with ease. Its webbed feet, while not strong enough for extensive movement on land, provide additional maneuverability in the water, allowing it to make sharp turns and navigate tight spaces. The gharial's body, therefore, is a marvel of evolutionary engineering, a perfect example of form following function in the animal kingdom. A life aquatic, the gharial's weak limbs. The gharial's limbs tell a story of adaptation and specialization. Unlike its more terrestrial crocodilian relatives, the gharial's legs are relatively small and weak, making it an ungainly mover on land. This is a trade-off, an evolutionary compromise for a life spent almost entirely in the water. While its limbs may not be suited for chasing prey on land or lumbering across vast distances, they are perfectly adequate for its needs. The gharial uses its limbs primarily for short bursts of movement on land, such as when it hauls itself out of the water to bask in the sun or to lay its eggs. Its limbs also play a role in digging nests in the sandy banks of rivers, providing a safe haven for its eggs. While its limbs may seem like a disadvantage at first glance, they are a testament to the gharial's remarkable adaptation to its aquatic environment. Rivers of life, the gharial's freshwater realm. The gharial is a creature of the rivers, its lifeblood intrinsically linked to the flow of fresh water. These magnificent reptiles are found in the Indian subcontinent, inhabiting the rivers of India and Nepal. They prefer deep, fast-flowing rivers with clear water and sandy banks, a habitat that provides them with everything they need to survive. The clear water allows them to spot fish with ease, While the sandy banks are crucial for basking and nesting, gharials are particularly fond of areas with sandbars and islands which offer them ample space to bask and regulate their body temperature. The rivers they inhabit are not just a source of food and shelter. They are an integral part of the gharial's life cycle. The annual monsoon floods, while sometimes destructive, play a vital role in maintaining the health of the river ecosystem, ensuring a plentiful supply of fish for the gharials. A fish eater's tale: the gharial's specialized diet. The gharial's diet is as specialized as its physical adaptations, a testament to its role as a piscivore, a dedicated fish eater. Its long, slender snout and sharp, interlocking teeth are perfectly designed for catching and consuming fish, which make up the bulk of its diet. The gharial's hunting strategy is one of stealth and precision. It lies in wait, submerged in the water, its body perfectly camouflaged against the riverbed. When a fish swims by, unaware of the danger lurking beneath the surface, the gharial strikes with lightning speed. Its jaws snap shut with incredible force, the sharp teeth sinking into the fish's flesh, preventing any chance of escape. The gharial's diet is not limited to fish alone. It will also consume crustaceans, frogs, and occasionally carrion, taking advantage of whatever food sources are available in its environment. While often perceived as solitary creatures, gharials are surprisingly social animals, exhibiting fascinating behaviors that challenge our understanding of these ancient reptiles. They are often seen basking in groups on sandy riverbanks, their bodies absorbing the warmth of the sun. These gatherings are not just about thermoregulation, they are also opportunities for social interaction. Gharials communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including hisses, growls, and snorts. These sounds are thought to convey a range of messages, from warnings of danger to courtship displays. Despite their fearsome appearance, gharials are generally non-aggressive towards each other, with conflicts rarely escalating beyond displays of dominance. This social tolerance is particularly evident during the breeding season, when males compete for the attention of females. A legacy in sand: the gharial's nesting rituals. The gharial's reproductive cycle is a delicate dance with nature, timed to coincide with the rhythms of the river. Breeding season occurs during the dry season, when water levels are low and sandbanks are exposed. This timing is crucial as it provides the gharials with the perfect conditions for nesting. Females, after mating, will dig nests in the sandbanks, carefully selecting sites that are above the waterline, ensuring the safety of their eggs. These nests are not just simple holes in the sand, they are meticulously constructed chambers designed to protect the developing embryos. The female gharial will lay a clutch of eggs, ranging in number from 20 to 95, depending on her size and age. She will then cover the nest with sand, camouflaging it from predators and providing insulation against temperature fluctuations. The future uncertain: threats to the gharial's survival. The gharial, once common in Indian rivers, now faces an uncertain future. Listed as critically endangered by the IUCN, their numbers have plummeted. Human activities, habitat loss and pollution threaten their survival. Dams fragment habitats and fishing nets entangle them. Guardians of the gharial conservation efforts and hope: the plight of the gharial has not gone unnoticed. Dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect this unique species. Efforts focus on research, habitat restoration, community engagement, and anti-poaching. Establishing protected areas is key for gharial conservation. These areas provide a safe haven for gharials and other species. Captive breeding programs bolster gharial populations. Breeding gharials in captivity and releasing them increases their numbers. Community engagement is paramount to success. Educating locals fosters ownership and responsibility for protection. A call to action: securing the gharial's future. The gharial, a living fossil from the Jurassic era, stands at a crossroads. Its future hangs in the balance, threatened by the very species that has the power to save it: us. But there is hope. By understanding the threats they face and supporting the conservation efforts underway, we can make a difference. Would you like to learn more about the wonders of the wild? Subscribe to our channel and join us as we uncover the secrets of nature's most extraordinary creatures. Together, we can ensure that the gharial, this remarkable reptile that has survived for millions of years, continues to grace our planet for generations to come.